it guys? Welcome back to another video of Yoda Raven. Today I will be installing LED fog lights on my 2019 rav4 XLE. So the brand I went with is Oxbeam. I got these off Amazon for about $30. I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested. I already took them out of the box. This is how it looks like. Oxbeam. Has a little ballast and then the connector. If you're wondering what size it is, the one I got are H11, and some of you are probably thinking that it's size H16 because it says right here on the stock one, but H16 and H11 are similar or almost the same sizes for these LED lights. But anyways, in the package obviously it comes with the LED light, and it comes with 4 zip ties and 2 double-sided sticky tape things. I already went ahead and installed the left fog light just to see how the process is, and it's fairly simple. All you have to do is take out 1 bolt and like 2 clips, and I'll show you here in a bit. And the first step you want to do is either lock your wheel fully to the right or fully to the left, whichever side you want to start on. So here I have the wheel fully locked to the right, so that it gives me a lot more space to work with. So this is the first bolt you want to take out. I already took it out. One right here. There is a clip right there, a clip right here, and then a bolt right here. So 4 in total. All I used was a 10 mil, and then to take out the clips I used my little flathead. This is how the these clips look like. I took the flathead, put it under here, and then kind of just pried it out. And here is the inside of the fender liner. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like, and that is a bulb right there that says H16. All you gotta do is pull down that clip in the bottom, rotate the bulb, and pull it out. So that is how it should look like installed. I didn't connect the zip tie or the double-sided tape to anything because there isn't really anything to mount it to. But if it does rattle in the future and if it does annoy me, then I will go ahead and install that. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the install. It's pretty easy to do. So these Oxbeam fog lights ended up coming out pretty sick for just $30 on Amazon. I highly recommend these. I forgot to mention that these fog lights are switchbacks, which means that when you switch them on and off, the fog lights, it switches modes. So it has yellow, it has LED, and it also has a mode where it kind of looks OEM but a little brighter. I only showed you the yellow and LED mode. You guys pretty much know how the OEM looks like. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped if you're installing these fog lights. I am going to be doing more installs on Raven, my rav4. As you can see, these rims right here, they need to get mounted, and that's probably going to be the next video. If you are looking forward to more Raven content, consider subscribing, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and have a good one. Shoots.